Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vanilla muffins from scratch easy guide. Preheat oven to 375 degrees F, line a 12 muffin tin, and mix wet and dry ingredients separately before combining gently. Fold batter until just combined to avoid toughness. Spoon batter evenly, top if desired, and bake 18 to 22 minutes until a toothpick emerges clean. Cool on a rack briefly before serving warm. These muffins freeze well for quick breakfasts. Gather ingredients and measure everything before you start to streamline the process. Sift dry items, then mix sugar, baking powder, and salt for even distribution. Whisk milk, eggs, melted butter, and vanilla in a separate bowl until smooth. Combine wet and dry gently with a spatula until mostly incorporated to avoid toughness. Spoon into prepared cups and bake until a toothpick comes out clean and tops are golden. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Also, if you want a small comfort while baking, go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for socks you can rely on. They pair well with cozy kitchen mornings. Check the description for the link and other deals where I list favorites and discounts. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. Mixing technique matters, so fold wet into dry gently until streaks of flour mostly vanish. Spoon batter into greased or lined cups, filling 2/3 to give the tops room to rise. Tap the tin lightly to release large air pockets, then bake on the center rack for even heat distribution. Rotate the pan halfway if needed to avoid uneven browning. Let muffins cool 5 minutes before removing to preserve shape.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.